Okay. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the second video in this new series that I've started. If you guys missed the first video, I'm going to put a link up to it here and you guys can go and check that out. So for today's video, I'm joined by Dewald and his 2018 Mountune Edition Focus ST, which I think is going to be a very interesting comparison for the facelift S3, the 2018 facelift S3, just because the power specs are so closely matched. So interestingly though, I actually didn't know that you could order this car in this edition directly from Ford and still keep your warranty and pretty much everything intact, which is quite awesome. This Mountune Edition is basically almost like a stage 1 kit that the car comes out with. I'm not going to run through all the mods. I'm going to hand over to Dewald quickly and he's quickly going to run us through the spec on the car. So I think Dewald, in terms of power mods and engine, suspension and so on,
I've got the...
Maybe we should pop the hood quickly and we can just run through that as we're talking about it. To find this thing.
So it's the Mountune intake, the Outtakes intercooler, downpipe, fully catless exhaust pipe. It's got a performance dual cone filter from Mountune as well.
Okay.
And that's basically performance wise on the mods. That's it. And then I have the sport suspension that they put in and the RS brakes. Okay. And that's basically that.
Okay. So I think this is going to be a very interesting comparison with the S3. In terms of power spec, quickly just run us through that.
Okay, so on the stage 1 ECU map that they have on, I'm getting 204 kilowatts on the wheels and 430 Newton meters of torque.
Okay, that's pretty decent compared to the S3, which is on the fly 228 kilowatts on the fly, and actually last week I misquoted myself. I said it was 380 Newton meters, it's actually 400 Newton meters. I actually went and double checked that, so sorry about that guys. So I think it's going to be a very close comparison. What we're going to do is a quick launch comparison and a couple of rolling runs as well. A few key things to mention though just before we do that. Key differences is this car is front wheel drive only, whereas this is all-wheel drive, it's quattro, and this is manual, whereas this is automatic. So definitely a couple of slight advantages that the S3 has of it, but it's all about seeing how the two cars compare. So let's get into this.
So we're going to do a launch from stock.
Yeah, so we'll do a launch from that right. Lamppost over there, and pretty much I think just take it up to say 3rd gear.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Perfect.
Just want to check that I am in launch control mode. Okay.
Man, you are going to hit me from launch.
Let's see what happens, dude. I'm a bit nervous. So right about here. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Was traction control on? That can't be right. I think to be fair, we must do a launch where I'm not using launch control, because that is like a definite advantage for me and a massive disadvantage for you.
No, that's fine, man.
Okay, cool.
So good fun.
No, for sure. So I think when we get to that spot now, we'll do a launch. No launch control from my side. I'm just gonna put it in sport mode and take off, and then let's see what happens.
Perfect. Can't wait to see what happens from the top. So,
listen, don't now go and activate any special maps or something like that.
No, I don't have any. I just have the standard map that's on. You can ask Ryan. He's my 2IB.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Cool. Okay, let's go do this. Okay. Yeah, definitely the manual shifting is counting against today. Good.
Second gear.
Okay. Yes, sir. I think that was more than third gear. I think we agree on going up to third gear. Okay, so for the final run, what we're going to do is I am going to give Dewald a 1-car lead. We're going to be rolling from, say, 40 k's an hour, and then we're going to take it up to about, say, third gear, fourth gear max, I think. Is that okay with you, Dewald?
That's perfect.
Okay, cool, but we're going to go on 3 hoots.
Yeah, just waiting for all the cars to pause.
Okay, yeah.
Good to go. Alright, I'm on 40.
Okay, it seems about right. Okay. That was definitely a bit more interesting.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be around about the same result we're gonna get every time.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up now for the day. I hope that you guys actually enjoyed this feature. I actually found it very interesting, you know, the different scenarios that we set up over there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of this comparison of the runs in the comment section down below. I want to say a big thanks to Dewald for actually taking the time out, buddy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for involving me.
Your car does
it was a
run
real
very
pleasure.
hard.
Thanks a lot.
I had a lot of fun, dude. I had a lot of fun. Hope that you had fun too. I'm gonna sign out now. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please remember to go and hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with this new series.
Please go follow The Driven Life. It's a great page for the great people and great guys.
Thanks, Dewald. Until next time, guys. Peace. Alright. Ready?
Yeah, going the same way.
At least we both moved. What a fail, dude. Oh.